understand. It spins forever over there. Has no method, just keeps going back and forth. %mapped after what, 20 runs? I'm gonna post this on Amazon because I'm just not that impressed. I don't understand what the problem is here. Last night it turned on, honey, I'm recording and I'm putting this on Amazon, so. Last night it turned on 3 times and then would clean the house for a few minutes and then dock and go back to its dock after like 15 minutes. And it didn't even clean anything. Now it's finally going back and forth, but we'll see if it changes its mind like it seems to. It'll spend an hour in our bedroom just going back and forth. It'll miss half our house. I don't understand. I keep hoping one day it's going to, and it's gonna get stuck. And we have even put the stupid don't go there boundary things on there. So I don't know. The only thing that I'm liking about this right now is that no hair has ever gotten stuck in the self-cleaning brush. But it wastes so much time. Now it's gonna get high centers again. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yes it is. And I have the boundary things over there. I don't understand it. It's gonna do it again. And it does this over and over and over again. I keep missing the... It doesn't ever go into our kitchen, or well, our dining room. Our kitchen, it'll go 5 times in one cleaning. And yeah, we do have a bigger house, but it just doesn't make sense. We go around and turn on all our lights. See, it doesn't even go the full distance. It just turns around wherever it is. And it's like, what? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not impressed. And if anyone's thinking about using this for a full cleaning, probably not a good idea. When I use my Shark full vacuum, I can fill the container on the vacuum 2-3 times for our bottom down here. And this one has this tiny little dustbin on the back. And it'll do the whole floor, and it's barely full. So don't think that this is going to like fully clean your house. See, it's gonna get high centered again. Back up, man. See? And then it's like, I'm just gonna go this way. It's gonna go right back to where it was. Tell me that this is not normal. See? It's like, I think I'm gonna go over here. Nope, never mind, psych. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think this is a long enough review. This has been 4 minutes and it hasn't accomplished hardly anything. Let's see if it ends up in the same spot. Pretty much. Yeah, so here in a little bit, it will go back to its dock and not finish cleaning.